Okay, so in editors, text-based text editors, okay, VI, Nano are a most common one, and Nano is generally will be there. VI is also there. And GUI based text editors, GUI based text editors are there. That is a Gedit. Okay, next VI also in some place we call that one as a Vim. Vim is nothing but a improved version of VI editor. Okay, improved version of VI editor. Okay, we'll see how it is works. See, if you type VI and leaving, this is the kind of stuff it will show. VI, VM, improved version name, modifier, help, Q for quit, help for enter or F1, something is showing that. If you type enter, also nothing is there. So you have to help. Anyway, so I'm quitting, nothing. So colon quitting, escape, colon quit. We got it. Something. My point is, don't put only VI. VI editor is an editor, so you have to edit the file. So if you check it, we have a lot of files, and if you want to edit the file, and we can edit the file using VI editor, or you can create a new file and you can edit it. Okay, just create an empty file and edit with the VI editor, or you can create a new file with the VI editor. So when you use a VI editor, you must be careful. Not only just VI part, I'm telling you about file part also. For example, file is already exist, or maybe file is a different file, or maybe you are giving a wrong name for the file and you are save it, then it may give you a problems also. Okay, so be careful while you are giving a file names also. Okay, here already one file is there, existing file is a file one is there. Okay, so already one file is there, that is a file one. So vi space file one, already file is existing, so I'm using it. When if you open it, automatically your entire screen is occupied with the VI editor only, and it is showing existing lines. And if you see the bottom of the screen, file 1 in a quotes and 2L and 22C, 22 characters are there and 2 lines are there in this file. I opened it and now I don't want to do anything. I want to come out from this file. What to do? Press escape generally. Okay, press escape, then colon. So semicolon. Shift semicolon means colon. So you got a colon, press Q and enter. Now we got closed. I didn't change anything, just I opened the file with the VA editor and I closed it. For example, uh, file 2. Is it file 2 is there? No, file 2 is not there, right? So yeah, file 2 is not there. Now I am going to open this file 2, which is not existing. See, nothing is there on data, but if you see the bottom of the screen, file 2 in brackets, new file. File 2, name is showing file 2, and in a brackets it is showing new file, means you are creating a new file. I am putting a colon and Q again. Now tell us, this file 2 is there? No, because I quit. File is not created. File is not created. Again, I'm going to file 2 only. Okay. I'm not doing anything, just I am going to WQ, save and quit. I just save and quit. I not enter any data, just I save and quit. I put a save and quit. Earlier I put a only quit, now I put a save and quit. So check it. File 2 is there. Check the content of file 2. Nothing is there because I didn't put any data inside. Again, I'm going to file 2. Nothing is there. but it is not showing new file because once you put a WQ, you save and exit. You created an empty file without doing much. Okay. Okay. Of course, um, I'm going to it. Nothing. I'm not doing anything. I like to show you things. That's it. Okay. Here, try to understand. Is my this one is here? Yeah, right. Here it is. So I think you understand the window how it is open. Okay, here we have to follow a sequence. If you follow the sequence and try at least 5 to 10 times. Okay, why I'm telling now? Why? Because you have to try it again and again and again. So then you will understand how to open the VA editor, how to close the VA editor, and how to put the data and how to save the data. These things will come up. Okay, so I open VA. Okay, file one. So what happened? Entire screen is came up, and there is some lines, some data is there, and here nothing is there. So what you have to do? So when you open a file, and now you see the file content, and then you want to modify the data. So maybe you want to change the line, or maybe you want to add something, or you want to replace something. So whatever you do, so you have to go with the editing option, right? So you just open a VA editor, that's it. You cannot edit anything, just you are open the file. To do anything, you have to press I. You have to press I. I take you insert mode. I will take you insert mode. Now go to the your column, modify the line, or maybe add some data, or maybe delete some data. So do whatever you do it modification. Once it is completed, press escape. Press escape button. Okay, once you are pressed the escape button, then it is going to um, command mode. Then it is going to command mode. Okay, actually, when you open a file with VI, it is in a command mode. It is in a command mode. Okay, few commands we can able to give, like you can copy the line and we can paste the line. You can we can give the command to edit the line, or maybe starting ending. So many other things are there. You can go up and go down of the page. You can go to from middle to top to bottom of the file. You can able to go. Okay. So that is called a command mode. So you can normally not for editing purpose. Command mode for giving a command. So then you can go top, you can go bottom, you can search for the pattern, or maybe you can try. Maybe that's what we can say. You want to insert some data, you want to modify it, then give the command to modify it. Okay, you can delete some data, but you cannot get it back. Like you can use undo the things, like you delete some line and you want to undo it. That is also called a command mode. Okay, so when you open a vi file 1, okay, file 1 or any file name, so it may contains the data. So if it is having a data, it shows the data, right? And next you want to edit it, then press I, then command mode to insert mode. Okay, you will be changed from command mode to insert mode. And now you completed your editing is completed. Okay, now press escape. So if you press escape, you are returned to CMD mode. We should not say CMD mode, it is a command mode only. CMD means usually CLI mode. Sometimes the meaning will come like it. It's a command mode. Okay, now you are in a command mode. Now what you have to do, again you want to you want to edit it, then again you have to press the I button. Press I, you're in a insert mode, modify, and escape. Okay, you want to edit another line, and now go to that line, press I, you're in insert mode, change the things, complete it. Once you're all completed, now you want to save and quit. For that one, press the colon. Okay, so shift colon. So whenever you put a shift colon in the bottom of the screen, you can see colon. In the bottom of the screen, you can see colon. If you want to quit means you are not saving. You are not saving, just you are quitting. Whatever the modification is there, that is not applied. Just you are quitting. But you want to save and quit. Save and quit. WQ. You want to save it and quit it. That is WQ. Okay, so you open notepad, you type something, you modify something. What you will do, you will save it and then will close it, right? So that is save and quit. So in this exercise, I will want to tell only three things. One, open the file, it is in command mode. So then you have to press I, go to insert mode. You press the I, so you can able to insert the data. Once you are inserted, escape. After that one, colon WQ, save and quit. You don't want save it, then just quit. You want to save but don't want to quit it, just save it. That's it. Okay. So W represent save. If you give only W, it means save only. Q represent quit. Okay. Q represent quit. Quit means quit from the current timeline. That's it. Sorry. Quit. Quit means don't save, just quit. If you combine WQ, save and quit. WQ means save and quit. Okay. So I will show you now this one. Then we'll see all the cross kind of stuff. Okay, vi file one only I'm open. It contains some data. Now if you see the bottom, look at the bottom. I'm pressing I, insert. Now I press I, see it is insert. Now if I type something, it is on my screen. So I'm going to my end of the line, enter. So new line. Okay, this is vi editor. Okay, this is vi editor. Now I done modification. I add a line. Add a line. That's it. Escape. See, when I press escape, insert mode is gone. When I press I, insert mode is came. When I press escape, insert mode is gone. Colon. So shift colon. If you see the bottom of the line, column is there. Escape again. So see insert should not be here. Colon must be in a down. If it is colon is upper, in a upper lines, it is in the lines are a separate one, not bottom of the screen, actual bottom of the screen. Okay, in a command line it is not there. It means it is you are giving a wrong, you are giving in a insert mode only. Escape. See, wherever I am located my cursor, when I put a colon, automatically colon into bottom of the screen. Okay, I want to save it. WQ. I want to save it. WQ. Save and quit. I want to do both the things. Save and quit. WQ. Enter. Okay. Okay. Non verified. This is the VA editor. Okay. So this is how we can able to edit. There are a lot of options in VA editor. Professional practice is required, like a lot of options and all. But important thing is in a VA editor, how to open the VA editor, how to close the VA editor, and how to go to insert mode, and how to change the things and come out. Okay. So using options, you can do much better. Okay. For example, um, this is very big file. Okay, right? This is a very big file. We should not open with the VA editor compulsory. Okay. For example, where is my cursor? My cursor is in the top. Okay, where am I? Bottom of the line. Bottom. How I came directly? Because I pressed capital G. Now I'm pressing G two times. GG. Now I'm top of the screen. I put it capital G. I'm bottom of the screen. Okay. like that. There is a lot of options are there. Now I want to quit it, okay, because I don't want to change anything in Anaconda file, so I quitting it. Okay, so you should know how to open, how to close. And this is a file 2, right? So file 2 does not contain anything, and I want to edit the file 2. Not have anything, so I'm pressing I. I press I. It is insert. Okay, I put a this is file 2 file. Enter. No enter also no problem. Okay, so just escape. Now insert is gone. Colon WQ. Now added a file. The line is there. If in case, what is the content of file 3? Nothing. There is no file 3. Okay, not only that, no file 3. File 3 is not existing. I put a VI space file 3. File is not there. It is showing new file. No problem. Insert. Okay, I put a this is new file and file 3 file. So add a two lines colon WQ. Just colon WQ. Escape colon WQ. Escape colon WQ. Back file 3. Data is there. So whether it is a new file or a existing file, we can able to do it. We can edit the file. We can add the lines. We can modify the lines with the VA editor. I'm going to file 1. I have a 3 lines are there. I added a line and how to modify this one. So instead of this is okay. I'm pressing backspace. It is not working because now I'm not in a insert mode. Now I'm in insert mode. Instead of this is, I want to put a it is. It is file 1. So I modified it. Escape colon WQ. Save and quit. So this is a VA editor. Of course, in VA editor there are lot of options are there. Lot of things to do it and change it for so many options are there. Of course, but I will tell the options once you understand VA editor. Okay. So what is a VA editor? So a visual editor and use it to edit the file and take the file and edit and do it. And lot of options also available in VA editor. That's it is become more important in a Linux. Okay. Very simple. Always open the file with VA file name, enter, and it occupy entire your screen. Okay. See the data, and if you want to change anything, you want to add anything, you want to change anything, press I. So it is in a insert mode. I'm adding some additional thing. Hi, hello. Just add a one more word. Modification is done. Still, I'm in insert mode. So if I want to do any changes, I can do it. Once completed, press the escape button. Colon WQ. So observe the end of the screen. WQ colon WQ. Escape colon WQ. W means save and quit. That file. So once you're done, verify. If you verify, then only you will understand it is working. Otherwise, what you will understand. Okay. So make sure when you are using VI editor, what files you created, what file automatically creation, so you can do it. So this is the basic of VI editor. Any confusion, doubts, or anything? Just try once, so you will understand. Okay. A lot of options are there. Those options I will tell tomorrow morning. Hmm? We can practice nano also. Nano, like that, how to open and all. But compulsory VI we should know it.